Please like, subscribe, and consider supporting our channel. The full raw, uncensored, no narrations, no captions, and an edited version of this body cam footage can be found in the description below. Please consider joining our YouTube channel membership. Subscriptions and donations will be used to acquire more public footage related to law enforcement activities. It really helps us do original full-length reporting like this. Sharing this video serves a compelling public interest because it is intended to illustrate the consequences of their actions and discourage others doing so. Defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty. Thank you all for the support.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Are you cracking up? Get off of her. Let go. Let go. Let go over there. Let go. We got you. 3-6. We have a female 10-2-5. Right outside the chase on River. Give me your other hand. Get up. Give me your other hand. Hold on. What? Where's your arm? I got your arm.
No, but she don't take my hair.
I got you. We have. She still has it?
She held my hair.
Let go of her.
Loca, ya lo voy a soltar. Suéltame en banda.
Let go of her hair. Move her hair.
She held my hair.
Let go of her hair.
Let go.
Let go.
Let go.
Around 20:52 a.m. on July 5, 2025, Officer Ricky Truppner with the Hoboken Police Department observed a group of individuals who appeared to be in the middle of an argument in the area of 124 River Street. Two women in particular appeared to be arguing with each other, and the officers instructed them to separate from each other. At this time, 26-year-old Tanya Singh charged at 22-year-old Winifer De La Cruz and tackled her to the ground.
What are you doing? We just told you. Get down. Stupid as hell. Sitting right here. Yeah, drunk doesn't matter. Get up.
Okay,
Get up.
I'm done.
You should have been done when we were standing right here.
I didn't see you.
You didn't see us with our lights on.
Okay,
Get in the car.
I'm not like that.
You are like that. You just did it with us right here. Six. Just have a female officer respond to headquarters for a search, please. Oh wait, hold on. Come out. Come out. We need to. The female's gonna search you.
I'm cool.
Face the car.
I don't have it.
Just face the car. What?
We're
We're sitting here. You could tell she was like acting
I
up.
have nothing.
Get the car.
Okay.
You could tell she was acting up. We're like, yo, come on, get
No,
her.
she was hitting me first.
Can you turn around now?
She was hitting me first. Y'all didn't see that?
Can you just turn around?
And they're on the front.
No problem. She was hitting me first. No problem. No problem. I have nothing at all.
Officer Truppner and Sergeant Michael Straten immediately exited the patrol car and placed Tanya into a compliance hold. After placing her in a hold, Tanya eventually let go of the other female. She was then placed in handcuffs and informed that she was under arrest.
Nothing at all.
We just have to get her.
I have nothing at all.
Should I get in the car?
Okay, no problem. I will do it. No problem. She was hitting me first, but y'all didn't see that.
No, I wasn't here. They saw what they saw.
Okay, no problem.
It is what it is.
No problem.
I'm sorry.
She hit me first, but
I
okay,
understand.
no problem.
Like I said.
No problem.
You speak Spanish?
No problem.
She's like this.
She had me first, but no.
Okay, so you just move here a little bit?
No problem.
Excuse me, where is she going? Because she don't have a phone, nothing. I'm her friend.
She's going to headquarters. 106 Hudson.
For what?
She's under arrest. Ricky's coming with you? No, it's fine. I don't need to search you up there. Yeah, that's it.
Come on, Rick, get in.
Have her just a passport. I'm gonna get her number.
3-6, just have a female officer respond to headquarters for a search, please.
Who is she fighting?
Look, I don't know.
Who was she holding on to? You?
My hand.
No, was she just holding your hair? You have your ID?
Yeah.
Let's start a fight.
I don't have my ID, but I have my passport.
I don't want to stand on the street. Rick, which girl?
Who's got her passport? I'll come in. You going with him?
I went to search up there.
You searched her just now?
Yeah.
Come on, Rick, get in.
I have her just her passport. I'm going to get her number.
That's right, they're pulling off, guys. Carmen.
So listen to what I just
Okay,
said.
relax.
She's going to go down. There you go.
How long? Like an hour or 2 hours?
Come on, bro. You know her situation. She's gonna get busted.
No. She'll be on a couple hours.
Okay, so we could pick up from here.
I'm
moving. What are you talking about?
106 Hudson.
106 Hudson.
But don't go there now and hang out.
That's Weehawken, right?
Go.
No, it's
You're gonna wait.
Hoboken, right?
Stop. There's too many people talking at one time.
First of all, I didn't really drink. I only had one beer because I know my leg. Me and him.
Listen,
Look, officer.
I'm gonna say it one more time. She's gonna go to headquarters.
But it's not. But it's not Weehawken. It's Hoboken. No. It's right here.
So, where's she gonna be at? Over there, 2 hours? 106 Hudson Street. Come there in like 2 hours. She should be ready to go.
She'll be done in like a half hour or whatever.
Like, that's so fucked up.
She's gonna be.
This girl has kids. Like,
Okay.
she was just having a good time outside. I don't know what happened. I just don't want y'all to process her. There's more to the story.
She fought someone.
She decided to attack the girl, so she gets placed under arrest. It is what it is.
She can tell her side of the story. That's it.
But she doesn't even want to, like, proceed at
It's not up to her.
We're here. See it.
The officer saw
You're
it.
not gonna commit a crime in front of cops and nothing's gonna happen.
I understand. Yeah.
An officer. So what happened? Do you understand what I'm saying? Her jumping on the other female. All right, we're not gonna play dumb.
We're gonna wrestle. Silly question. You're saying to a wrestler and you punch her in the face.
And he's like smirking.
You're their friend. You go to your own house, go home and do it.
I say you're smirking, not smoking. Yeah. Stupid ass questions. Alright, information rounds book. Female 1025. Being transported with Sergeant Sordo and Officer Truppner. Deactivated at this time.
Transportation to Hansi.
No rig, nothing.
What if we go to headquarters and speak to him?
It's not gonna do anything for you.
It's right around the corner.
She's gonna be released on a summons in 2 hours.
He's trying to say he's supposed to charge. There's no such thing as suppressive.
An argument? Because she's crying.
Because my friend.
It's a friend argument. That doesn't mean that it's necessarily.
They observed you
I get what you're saying.
I'm just letting you know.
I get what you're saying.
They observed you fighting. I mean, we could argue semantics all day, man. What if it wasn't? What if it was a joke? But it wasn't, man. It's not a big deal. It's
Show everything in court. That's it.
either
That's
way.
what I was asking. She said I'm smirking, and there's no reason for that.
So it's two things: simple assault or disorderly conduct. You get what I'm saying? Like,
It's nothing crazy. That's okay.
it's not.
All right. They were telling her, like, yo, the cops are right there, too. We put our lights on. Someone control. And next thing you know, she just attacked that girl. Did we get the mileage one?
Yeah.
Alright, 28.
0.9
of the miles. It's easier part, right?
Yeah. Should he stay and help
Yeah.
me bang it out real quick? It's simple. It's really nothing simple, so.
34, you make out, see?
You're gonna just hang with me while I process this arrest real quick? It shouldn't be long. Started fighting. Nah, I jumped in with the sergeant.
Okay.
I don't have it. All my stuff's in 136 with the other sergeant, so we'll have to find a car.
Okay. Can you?
Oh, she's on this side? Oh, she's over there. My bad.
Yeah, I need you to undo the seatbelt.
I got it. I did it. Come on, man. Come on. Hold on. Just face this wall right here. Right here. Face right here.
What do you got?
Simple assault. Me and Mike is sitting right there in the car. She was acting a little crazy. They're like, "Oh, we got it." I'm like, "Oh, you gotta calm her down."
So just
Next thing you know,
I'll talk to you when you're done.
yeah. Next thing you know, she just attacked this girl. They were on the ground. All right, cool. We were sitting right there. She didn't hit you at all.
Slapped me first.
No, we were watching the whole
Look
thing.
my face. Look my face.
We were watching
Look
the
at
whole.
my face
I
right
was
now.
watching the whole thing.
Look at my face right now.
Just turn around and say, hold on, stand up.
Okay, I have to
Stand up, turn around.
Okay,
I gotta
no
take the
problem.
cuff off so you can sit down.
No problem.
Did she get searched?
Carmen did, yeah.
She searched.
The officers placed Tanya in the patrol car and transported her to the Hoboken Police Department for further processing. Tanya was charged with simple assault, 2 once 101, and released with a summons pending her court appearance.
Yep, on scene. Alright, turn around and just have a seat. We were sitting right there watching the whole thing. And we told them to control you. We watched the whole thing. Alright, female 2-5 secured to the bench. Simple assault, we're gonna be deactivating.